Hi, this is the Earth, and right now the Earth is pretty happy, but what do you imagine when you think of the Earth being destroyed? Alien attacks? Nuclear fallout? Well, in reality, there's only one thing worse than weapons of mass destruction.
Boom. A child. No.
Well, not exactly a child, but due to an increase in birth rates and a decrease in mortality rates, overpopulation is becoming a huge threat to the environment. Merriam-Webster states that overpopulation is the condition of having a population so dense as to cause environmental deterioration and impaired quality of life or a population crash. Right now, the population is at 7.6 billion people. Some scientists believe that around 9 billion people is the max sustainable population, and we are on track to meet this number by 2040.
There's too many people on this earth. We need a new plague.
Some problems with overpopulation are less clean water, climate change, soil depletion from excess farming, and the line at Champs on a Friday night. Let's talk about climate change, specifically the greenhouse gases produced from energy consumption. The world average in 2015 was 21,320.9 kilowatt hours of electricity per person per year. Using that value, the energy consumption follows the same trend and peaks at about 234.53 terawatt hours of energy consumed. If we then assume that 80% of this energy comes from coal and 20% comes from natural gas, we can see a similar trend with CO2 emissions of up to 455 terapounds just from energy consumption alone. This is significant because according to this figure, transportation and industry are just as much of a problem when considering greenhouse gases. Now, I'm not saying that the solution to this problem is less people on Earth, but if the population is to remain sustainable, we must become more efficient as a society. We need to be able to use less energy, we need to recycle, we need to invest more in renewable energy, and we need to have more efficient farming techniques. Everyone on this planet shares the same problem, because if we don't move to a more sustainable lifestyle, it won't be long before we can no longer call Earth our home.